Hey guys, you're welcome back to my channel. Thank you for clicking on this video. Here is Rema Healthy Way, your home of healthy recipes. Today I'm making puff puff, but to begin I want to say a very big thank you to anybody who has been a support to this channel, to my returning subscribers. I love you guys. You are watching me first time, you're welcome. So to begin, I need a glass of warm water. I'm also going to add some sugar to it, which is very important, and also some dry yeast. After this, I am going to make sure that I whip it, or I mix everything together, making sure that my dry yeast is well dissolved. It is very important to add your sugar before adding your yeast, because your sugar is going to help your yeast to come up well. Then the next I'm going to add is some powdered milk, which is very essential. It gives your puff puff a nice or a beautiful color and also a great taste. Then it's time for me to add my flour. I'm going to add a pinch of salt and also some coconut flour, which is the secret ingredients. So then I'm also going to add some nutmeg to this, which is going to give me some nice flavor and a nice smell. So guys, if you're still not part of this wonderful family, you want to click on that subscribe button. You want to turn on bell notification. Anytime I upload a new video, YouTube is going to notify you. I'll be glad to have you as part of this wonderful family. Okay, so don't forget, if you like what I'm doing, don't forget to share, like, comment, and also if you have any question, you can leave it in the comment section. Now to continue, what we are going to do is to make sure that our puff puff is well mixed, and we are going to avoid lumps, which is very important. After this, I'm going to check the consistency, which is very important. Okay, so if you're making this at home, you can make it thicker than this, but I prefer to go for this consistency. So then I'm going to cover this and leave it to rest for about 40 to 45 minutes in a warm place. So then I'm going to keep this in my oven, not on anyway, it's off. So I'm going to give it a little light in the oven and then leave it for about 45 minutes to rest and go back for it later. So after 45 minutes, it's ready to fry. Alright, so in my frying pan, I am adding some fresh oil. Frying oil. And then the next is to test my oil to make sure that it's ready to fry. Okay, at this point, I am going to lower my heat to avoid burning or getting my puff puff to burn. Okay, so guys, after frying your puff puff, you want to know that if it's not turning, you want to do that yourself. Okay, but usually it's have to turn on its own, but if it doesn't, do that. Thank you for joining me today. So if you're still watching me and you're not part of this wonderful family, you want to click on the subscribe button. You want to be part of Rema Healthy Way family. So thank you very much. You want to know I really love you all so much, and I'm going to see you in my next video. So until I come your way again next time, here is Rema Healthy Way. It's bye.